Well, hey guys, thanks for stopping by my channel and checking out this video. So I imagine if you're watching this, it's because you're having some issues with the voice assistant that's coming on your Samsung TV. For example, this is what it sounds like.
Unleash Julian Clip, a sweet symphony. Between win, tight and waves, that button.
All right, so as you see, every button that I push on the Samsung remote, if I just turn up the volume on it,
Volume 1380 soundbar Q6R series.
it starts talking to
Volume
me.
1480 soundbar Q6R series.
And so, yeah, that's a nice feature for those that are maybe hearing impaired, but every once in a while you can accidentally hit a button like my mom did and turn that on, and it can be very annoying if you don't want it on.
Volume 1580 soundbar Q6R series.
See, so I'm going to show you the step-by-step process and how to turn that off. And now this is different than the Bixby feature. This is the voice assistant feature. So I made a video on how to turn off Bixby. This video is how to turn off that voice assistant feature. So first thing you're going to want to do is grab your remote and you're going to want to hit the home button. Now this may look different on different Samsung TVs. This one here is a Samsung QLED, but a lot of the menus are the same when it comes to this. So I'm going to show you. Click all the way over, go to settings, and don't go up on it. When you get to settings, make sure you push on settings instead of going up. That's a step that a lot of people miss, is that actually hit the settings button instead of going up. So we're gonna go ahead and click on settings.
Menu, 5 items, 1, picture.
Okay, and then you're gonna go down
2, 4, general.
To general. Click on general.
10 items, 1, intelligent mode settings on, configure intelligent mode options.
All right, yeah, see, that's pretty annoying even when you're just trying to make a video like this. All right, now you're gonna go down
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
to accessibility.
Settings to assist users with visual or hearing impairments. Sub-items, voice guide settings, video description, high contrast.
Click on
12 items, 1,
that
voice guide settings on,
right there.
Voice guide settings,
Go to voice guide settings, turn it
voice guide settings, 4 items, 1,
off.
Voice guide.
There we go. Now I got it to stop. So when it's grayed out like that, that means it's off. When you click on it, it's on. So you don't want it on, but it's kind of nice that if you do want it on, you can put it on soft, you know, the speed is normal, the pitch, you can change that and customize all that. But yeah, we want it off. That's what this video is about. So there you go. That turns it off. And now when you click back, she's not talking to you anymore, and you can go back through all the options and have your TV as normal. So that's how you turn off this voice assistant feature. Hopefully this was helpful to you guys. If it was, throw a thumbs up on this video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time. I'd love to have you back in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.